This is our Mass Finishing Incorporated centrifugal barrel deburring and finishing machine with the stainless steel grate. And we're going to go over the controls right now. Here's the control panel. And
you need to put the control in forward motion. Master starts it. We have a 46-minute timer on here. This can be adjusted up or down. Open the door.
But let me stand back.
We're going to jog the barrels by pressing the two diagonally opposed corner buttons that say jog. This rotates the barrels in order. If we need to rotate an individual barrel for alignment and loading, we have a barrel rotation switch. It says forward and reverse. You just bump that to get the barrels to go level. Remove the safety latches out. These cam up, releasing the lid to load the parts in or to dump them out. That goes back in. Jog to the next barrel. Rotate it up. Same thing, load parts. Next up, barrel. Over and over again until they're all loaded. The door needs to be closed for the machine to start. There's a safety switch here to ensure that the door is closed so the machine will start to rotate. We have a drum speed dial on the left hand of the control. You typically start that between 1 and 2 to start the machine, and you hit master start. Oh, I'm sorry, cycle start. That starts the rotation. Increase your drum speed, your desired speed. I recommend not going over 7 or 8. This machine operates quite fast, and you need to make sure the barrels are balanced so you don't have a bunch of steel parts in one barrel and the rest being empty. Hit cycle stop if you want to end the cycle early. Open the door, rotate the barrels, pull your parts out, and to shut the machine off, emergency stop.
Can we open a barrel? Yeah, just one.
If you do one, it's cleaned up and the springs work.
Where's that square pipe you have?
Square pipe.
Got it?
Safety pin up. Safety pin up. Stinks. Been sitting for a while.
Okay, so then your parts and your media would be in here, and there still is media in here, which we're going to take out and wash, right?
Yeah, this is an abrasive media here for rough finishing. 2 of the barrels should have abrasive media in it, and 2 of the barrels have a polishing media.
These are ceramic.
These are ceramic spheres.
Okay,
So there's an O-ring gasket it goes around this corner. I really want to touch this. It needs to be clean. So when you put the lid back on, you want to make sure that surface is clean. Put the lid back on, seal it up. See, this is wet still, so it's been in here for several weeks.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to empty that and
Yeah.
clean it up. Okay.
And say that you just rotate the barrel down, actually rotate it back so it doesn't dump out the front on you. Rotate it back,
Okay.
goes on there, turn your vibratory thing on, maybe use the water and kind of wash it down.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
And you leave that off for
Can we show this thing vibrating like you did earlier?
yeah. Separator,
Right, sweetie.
to start the separator,
See it? It's doing it.
It's hard to see. Put something on it so you can see. Okay. So it vibrates and the parts stay on the top and the
Media
falls through. Okay, good.
See? Now you can hear it and see it.
you got a bunch of media built up inside of it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Are we good? Is that everything?